Okay guys, these two secret code I'm going to share with you today will blow your mind, right? So if you want to call someone and you don't want this person to know your number, you want your number to appear as a private number to this individual, you just have to press #31#, then you enter the number 09074613276, right? You dial the number and this number is good. Now the second code here is for you to instantly see your IMEL and all your information, your mobile detail informations, right? So you just press #06#. Now I hope you can see that. So your device info, your IML, your details. So these details now will help you to recover your mobile device anytime they go stolen or anything happens, right? Please do well to subscribe to this channel and see you on the next one.